What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe, check out the videos, check out everything on the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get straight into this pair. We got the boring red Nike box. Don't really need to talk about that too much. And then the label says Nike Zoom Vomero 5. The colorway is Dusted Clay / Earth. It's a UK 10. Pause if you want to read the other sizes. Style code HF1553200. Made in Vietnam. So I really like this colorway when it released first. I didn't purchase it straight away because I know it's a colorway that not a lot of people would like. So you know when you have that feeling, you gotta wait for them to go on sale, and that's what I did, and I got them at nearly half price. So we'll go to the bottom. It's got this brownish type purple shade, like as it said, dusted clay, so it's got like a dusted clay type feel. The standard Zoom Vomero 5 sole, so just brown, dark brown, like actual brown, dusted clay, and then it's got that off-white type. Same on the rest of the midsole. On the back it's got that dusted clay, that plastic piece. Then we've got pieces of plastic there. Also in that dusted clay or earth, whatever you want to call it. I'll be honest, I'm just going to call it the clay colorway. Then we've got the brown that's in suede, more suede, brown, suede. So all the brown bits are suede, this color, and then the clay bits are plastic and rubber, and then even the swoosh, that's like a standard Vomero swoosh. The laces, they've got that kind of purple tone, so does the mesh. I didn't like that as much, to be honest. If it was a bit different, I would have liked it a bit more, but to be honest, they were on sale, so it was a good price for me. The back again, that swoosh, and then the inside is brown. I like it when the sock line is a bit more of a darker material. It's just way better because you can keep it clean a bit more than a white pair. White pair you wear 2-3 times and it look like you wore them 50 times. Obviously label, and then in the inside the Bowerman series little logo. All in all, I really like this shoe, apart from the few bits that I complained about. I think I'd give it 8 out of 10. Sizing, standard Vomero sizing, if we're honest. They do look much nicer on foot, I'll be honest. I really like these just with like plain black, and then this is just, you know, the shoe at the bottom. But yeah, let me know what you think about this shoe, people. If I do a lace swap, I'll definitely post it on the socials because I'm thinking to, but I just need to find the right shade and the right lace. But yeah, wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video of this lovely colorway Zoom Vomero 5. You'll see an on foot video separate. You'll see more videos of Vomeros. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.